Give everyone a fork and let them fend for themselves over this dessert for two or more, or myself. The restaurant-style skillet cookie, it's irresistible, especially with that ooey gooey ice cream I see melting down on top. Becky Low,
yes.
You know what's up. You're pointing it out. This amazing stuff. So good to share a nice little Valentine's date activity, even for kids. It's so fun for the whole family.
Chocolate chip is just that all-American cookie, and when we put it into a skillet and a heart-shaped skillet, it's like, wow.
Ooey gooey and crispy.
Yes.
Just like my Valentine's date that I'm dreaming about, right? A little bit of everything.
A little crisp. You know, I love, love, love the cast iron because it helps hold the heat in, and it actually makes that crispier crust on it that is just wonderful.
And this is a big thing at, at restaurants. I think at Pizza Factory, it's the pizookie or something. I can't even say it there, but you just see this all the time now, even like special birthday deliveries. So you're teaching us how to make it. You're hip.
Yep, these little tiny pans, or you can put it into a big one. And you know what? I think even the convenience of doing it in a large pan.
Okay.
I don't have to scoop those out on a cookie sheet and bake them. Dump it all in the pan, cook it up.
I am all about that.
Give people a fork and you're ready to go.
Less cleaning. So let's show, we see the different pans here. You're heating the butter and you're letting it melt in here?
I am. This seasons the pan because we're using a cast iron pan. It's porous, and when you put the oils in it or the butters and the fats in it, then it helps to make it so it's nice and smooth and that patina on it. You can see this one that is not seasoned. And this one is actually very good. So it's hot.
All right, I was gonna say, what can I do for you? What are we adding into the mix right here?
Pour this, and then I'll let you do this. And by the way, when you put it in, then it has a tendency to kind of, there you go.
Okay,
it has a tendency to kind of burn it. So we're not burning it, but we're browning it. So it becomes kind of a nut butter with it.
And I was gonna say brown sugar, taste. I see, sugar.
Yeah, brown sugar. So that's just the basic recipe with it.
Baby.
Let me throw in some eggs.
Make Rocky happy, add some of that.
And some vanilla. You can't forget the vanilla with it. Okay, so that part's really, really basic.
Okay.
I'm going to put this right back over here again. And while you're scooping and swishing that,
getting my workout in for the day.
Flour. Yep, we're going to actually put a little bit of soda and a little bit of salt in this. And I'm going to, you are getting that.
Is that okay?
Yep, perfect. Okay, I'm going to take that whisk away from you. And
smart woman.
Set this at the
I'm
side
not the best,
because
Becky.
It doesn't quite work the same way. We'll put in all of our flour.
Okay. Now, when you have the different pans and sizes, is that going to be an issue?
A little bit.
Okay.
Okay, so the recipe is for a 10 to 12-inch skillet,
so
which is about
huge.
this size.
So the bigger one.
Okay, so this one's a little bit smaller, and I can make either one big one, or I can make 3 small ones.
Okay, so it's just all about kind of thinking that in your head.
Right.
Perfect.
And let me just show you this one too. This is a nice little heart-shaped skillet, but it's extremely shallow. And so because it's shallow, it's not going to cook up quite as well with the others.
Yeah. We're just adding some special gifts in here. Look at this, mixing this up.
Okay, and why don't you get those chocolate chips?
And
the chocolate chips is your favorite, whether it's a semi-sweet, whether it's the milk chocolate, whichever we want.
I stole one, I had to.
Throw it in.
Okay, all of it.
Yep. Stir that in. Now this is nice and hot.
And this is fun with the family too. You could all do this together. Or a hot date night.
I think that this all-American chocolate chip, the Toll House cookie recipe, is that basic that everybody starts with. And so this is just a nice way of doing it.
Can I do anything?
You bet. Okay, that pan is a little bit, it's not hot now. I'm going to scrape that into there.
Awesome. And you could really make variations of this, correct? So if you had a different family recipe or something else, would that be possible? Just kind of build off of your idea?
Absolutely. In fact, there were some really fun ideas that were on the internet, and so we had to try a couple of them.
Okay.
So first one, let me just show you this one. This is actually a chocolate and vanilla that we have together. Love, love, love that.
Love that.
Now this one in front, this one's going to bite you back.
Uh-oh, so should I be ready to try it while you talk about it?
Cayenne pepper in it,
say,
and
look
some
at
red
that.
Pepper flakes that are on it, and then a little bit of salt with it.
It has like the pizza red pepper topping right now. All right, so I try it while I take a bite. Explain this next one for me. I'm
there's
scared.
Some glass of milk if it's too hot. Okay, now while you're enjoying that.
Sweet and spicy.
Oh, okay.
Like a sassy.
Yeah,
like
it might come back, so you can actually tone it down or increase it, whatever you'd like.
Pretty good.
This one has crushed
potato chips. That is
so it's
like
a
child's
crunchy.
dream. That is my dream.
Now this one is weird, and I have to say it's probably not my most favorite. The idea is that you're using black sesame seeds and you're putting soy sauce in it.
You know what? You can't. You know, if you're having like but I see it. You're having maybe an Asian-inspired night. You get some sushi and that.
There you go.
That's kind of
You're
cool.
ready to
All right,
go
I'm gonna
with
try
it.
this. Now, while I'm having a little bite of this, can you tell me what is like the benefit of this cast iron? You know, using that. What's so good about using this versus anything else?
Okay, cast iron just is a wonderful heat conductor and it stays nice and warm. So, you know, when I am putting this into my pan, you can see that it's just nice and smooth there. Okay, that's going to continue to cook and make that crusty layer to it that we just love.
And I'm really, Becky, I need you in my life now. Do we put this in the oven?
Yep. Okay, this goes in the oven.
This
so
is not bad, by the way.
You like that one?
You know, it's different.
It has
I have like some spicy chilies still in my mouth.
Okay, so this goes 350 degrees, and if you're doing the pan, it's about 20 to 25 minutes. If you're doing these little ones, it's about 15 to 18 minutes or until it's nice and brown and it's crusty on the edge, and then take it out and serve that warm with the ice cream or a glass of cold milk, and you are just good to go.
It's seriously heaven. And the heart pan, are you a fan? It's cute.
I am.
It's
yeah,
pretty.
It's cute.
But you're
it's
more
a little
of a
narrow. You can actually pick those up at Target, so
Okay.
they're kind of fun. This time of the year, they're perfect. This one is actually a little bit easier to
So
use.
it's cute, but you like
deeper.
your
I like the deeper one. Yeah.
Oh, back to what you're used to. I mean, what can be better than this? See, my problem is, Becky, I just want to eat all the cookie dough. I know it's bad, but...
Well, and this is the type of thing that you just give everybody a fork and you're good to go.
Seriously, just all dig in. A little, maybe the love swoop. You can all dig in. While we dig in, add some ice cream. You can't have anything better than this on Valentine's Day.
We're good to go.
Hot date night.
Yeah, hot date, literally.
We're gonna think,
hot peppers
a
in
spicy
it.
date night. Whew. Thank you so much, and we'll have these
thank you.
recipes and everything on our website, right?
Okay, sounds good.
You're the best. Well, Becky will put the instructions for the Skillet chocolate chip cookie with just the right, as she showed us, crispy crust on our website, along with the suggestions for the more exotic chocolate chip cookie variations. Really pretty good, kind of spice things up. Brett Beardsley shaking his head here. You can find all of that by clicking the recipe tab at our website.